etc. For how many years has it been in place?
आपको बता दे वक्फ एक्ट जब
simple सा question, Adil ji, straight question.
Please allow me to speak.
No, but answer my question. You can speak. Okay, answer my question.
Please allow me to speak.
Answer my question.
देश का संविधान बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने संविधान लिखा 1947 के बाद देश को एक कानून मिला, देश को एक आईपीसी मिला, सीआरपीसी मिला, देश को एक संविधान मिला। हमारे बाप दादा ने 300 साल, 400 साल, 800 साल पहले।
तो नरेंद्र मोदी कैसे आ गया भाई? नरेंद्र मोदी तो 11 साल पहले आए थे। नरेंद्र मोदी तो 10 साल पहले आए थे। आदिल जी,
allow me to speak.
नहीं, आप तो अम्बेडकर के टाइम पे चले गए, कोई बात नहीं, बाबा अम्बेडकर के, लेकिन मोदी जी तो 10 साल पहले आए थे।
इसलिए उसके पीछे रीजन है। मोदी जी चाहते हैं उनके जो दोस्त हैं,
You can respond to him, Sanju. You can respond to him.
चाहते हैं कि राइट विंग
Niranjan, now please let me have my say. I did not interject this.
माइंडसेट है।
Okay, आदिल जी, एक काम करेंगे, आप उनका रिस्पॉन्स सुन लीजिए, then we'll take the debate forward. Sanju.
Thank you. And Niranjan, I never play the victim card and say that you have an attitude problem. You don't.
No, you do say you are very sometimes. Okay, I won't say it, but you'll also get angry. You're also sometimes nasty on the debate. It's okay. I'll say it on a lighter note.
I get angry when I don't get enough time, but I never have a problem with your attitude. I say bring it on. I always say bring it on. Okay. Now let me come to the moot point. Okay. Mr. Adil Hasan, मैंने आपको नहीं टोका, आपका वक्त आएगा दोबारा रिबटल के लिए, मुझे आप रिबट करिए।
सुन लीजिए, आदिल जी सुन लीजिए,
आपने मुझे बोला या नहीं बोला, मुझे
आदिल जी सुन लीजिए,
फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
प्लीज सुन लीजिए। ओके, सुन लीजिए,
बोलने के लिए बैठा हूं।
सुन लीजिए आदिल सुन लीजिए,
सुनने की बारी है, शांत हो जाओ।
आदिल जी, ओ बाबा रे, आदिल जी सुन लीजिए प्लीज।
Oh my God. Yeah. Now let me come to the nub of the issue, because I see that panelists here, they keep going left, right, center, A, B, C, D. Nahi. What is the basic difference between TTD and the Waqf Council? Let's address the crux of the issue. Mr. B.R. Naidu, the newly minted chairman of the TTD board, has put it very lucidly. The TTD board basically is a Hindu endowment institution, and in the Hindu Endowment Act of 1927, 1951 and 1968, it is clearly mentioned that any Hindu religious institution, the administrative body should consist of all Hindu members. Point number one. Whereas when it comes to the Waqf Council or the Waqf Board, it is not a religious institution as per what Asaduddin Owaisi has himself said. He says that the Waqf Council is a charitable institution, not necessarily a religious institution. So if it is a charitable institution, then what is the big deal in having Buddhists, Christians, Sikhs, Hindus in the Waqf Board? So the basic difference is TTD is a religious institution, a religious board meant to govern the affairs of the Tirumala temple, meant to govern the administrative affairs of Lord Venkateshwara at Tirumala. Whereas the Waqf Board is meant to be a charitable institution. It's not a religious institution. So don't compare apples with watermelons. Point number one. Point number two, a point which Niranjan had made in a debate on the Waqf Act, where I was also there. Islam is a religion that dates back to 1400 years. But be it the Sundareshwara temple, be it an entire village on the banks of river Kaveri, which is more than 1500 years old, you have tried to appropriate that saying ye to Waqf property hai. Surat Municipal Corporation Waqf property hai. Jindal Saw factory in Rajasthan Waqf property hai. Gurudwara in Yamunanagar in Haryana Waqf property hai. Haldwani railway station in Uttarakhand Waqf property hai. Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi Waqf property hai. Parliament building Waqf property hai. Marriott and Hyatt Regency hotels in Telangana and in Karnataka Waqf property hai. Entire tracts of land near the beaches in Kerala Waqf property hai. Entire districts in Maharashtra, including large tracts of land in Pune and Parbhani, Waqf property hai. Large tracts of land in Marathwada region which have historically belonged to farmers for hundreds of years.
I have breaking news. I have breaking news.
So the limited point is this. The TTD board